Geneva Homestar. This fan is for sale. I have it listed for $150, and it's part because it's very rare. What's rare about it is that it's very rare to find one of these that's working. These come with an Intellitouch copy control here. It's a Homestar control, and usually when you find these, they're failed. But this one has worked every time that I've tested it, so hopefully it works through this video as well. K55 motor, flywheel, can take 4 or 6 blades. I suppose you could put 3 on it if you were so inclined. I actually got this from a friend of mine that had it in the bedroom of their condo or townhouse or something. And they had a 52-inch one in the living room that they'd thrown out prior to me doing some work for them. So, wish they hadn't thrown it out. They said it stopped working though, so that's not surprising. This one worked perfectly. They just replaced it with a Hampton Bay Windward. So let's check it out. Let's see how this Homestar control fares. Turn the amp meter on. Right now, we should be drawing nothing because the control is not turned on. We have nothing. Turn the control on. Oh, it flashed there. The light, I don't know if you can see that.
Yep, I've noticed it was doing that when I was playing with it earlier.
Turn it off, back on, see if it does it again. Yep. So, and it draws 0.9 just to be chilling. This has all the programs like an Intellitouch has, but I don't know what they are. So first let's just try it like a normal control. Let's just hit light. And it gets brighter. Hit light off. Okay, it got dimmer. Hit light off again, and off. So if I hold down light on, how does that work? If I hold down off, it's not doing anything.
I think you gotta push it.
I'm pushing it. There we go. If I hold it down, yeah, you can get different light settings. Okay, let's try fan. I'm just going to push on. Beeps once, 0.34. It looks like a low speed. Push it again. Nothing. I'm going to hold it down. 0.39. Hold it down. 0.5. I'm going to hold it down. Why'd the light come on? I didn't turn the light on.
Wonder if it's...
I'll turn it off. .8. Pretty fast here. Even faster, we're at 1 amp.
How many speed is this thing?
It should be 6 if it's like Intellitouch.
Yeah.
Looks like the light's on faintly. I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to turn it off. It will dim, but oh, there we go, off. It's at 0.97 now. That's got to be high.
Yeah.
So let's do the airflow test. It really sounds like it's flying.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's way. That Encon was no joke, but this is way more air than the Encon.
Oh yeah.
That's a powerful little fan. Even though the housing is smaller, they typically use the same housing. The same motor. Oh yeah, that's a definitive breeze back here.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. It's making the water labels over there move.
I think Abby pulled those all off the water bottles.
Yes, I noticed she has a habit of doing that.
Yeah, who knows why kids do anything. Okay, so let's see how to turn it off. Hit off. Ah, that was as simple as hitting off.
Spin down.
Now while it spins down, I'm going to hit reverse. It did not make a sound. I'm going to hold down reverse.
Well, if you're on full off, then...
I didn't hit the switch off, I hit the fan off.
Okay.
Not sure if it's reversed or not. Maybe it can only be reversed while running. Let's let it spin down first and we'll see if we can get to the bottom of it. The Homestead system is definitely flakier than the Intellitouch system, but at least this one works. The light fitter is original to the fan. The globe is not. That is actually Metal Pete's globe. It's as metal as you can get without actually being metal. It's still made of glass. So today's glass Pete.
Long spin down.
These blade brackets are different than any other Homestead I've seen, only where they mount to the motor. They're thicker and tapered. I've never noticed that on any other Homestead. That design may be unique to the Geneva, I don't know. To be clear, the control system is called Homestar. This style is called Geneva. Those vents and brackets and everything. So it's a Geneva Homestar. I don't know what all models came with Homestar, but it's not a lot of them. And I believe the Geneva was only Homestar. Okay, so let's try fan on again. Nope. So let's try reversing it now. Yep. There, now it reverses.
So this is high reverse right
Yeah,
away.
I'm trying to get it to low. Okay, we just went down one speed, so that's the second speed.
Easy, easy.
Third. Okay, I should have been doing the amps, the currents. So let's start again.
I did
High.
the light came on a little bit again.
Ah, stupid light. How did I get it off before? Anybody know?
What if you just did a quick click like a, you know?
There we go. You gotta hit it twice. I figured out. You gotta hit off twice and it goes off. Okay. 0.93 for high reverse. Oh, I just turned it off. Okay. High reverse again. Ah! I can't figure it out. High reverse. Okay, there we go. Speed 5. 0.74. Speed 4. 0.6. Speed 3. 0.5. Speed 2. Well,
Hello.
that's the first time that's ever happened.
My glove. Is it even any signs?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Switch housing broke, glass did not.
Yeah, that's a new one. You know, as many times as I've hung fans from the mounting bracket, I've always wondered if that would happen, and it's never happened at this point. So that's a, that's a brand new one.
Crazy.
Yeah. Is there anything in here?
There's really not much to it, it's just the wires go through. I assume being,
There wasn't a circuit board in there or anything?
no, being IT,
Yeah.
everything's up in the motor housing.
Well, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this. I guess I won't be testing fans that way anymore. No, there is a thing in here.
Okay.
I can't tell what it is.
Just a capacitor.
Why would you have a capacitor for the light? Oh well. Well, luckily I've got some extra, yeah. I don't have a white housing for it, But I've got some brass ones, so I can just put a brass switch housing on it.
Yeah. Is it a polished one? Or?
Yeah. So that'll be okay.
So.
But, still disappointing.